Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to turn a selfie photo to become a Naruto cosplay. How to do that, so without any further ado and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can install this Capcut first, and here I will access it with my Android phone. And don't worry, because this app can be also installed into your iOS or even the PC guys. And after that, don't forget to open it and also access it and do the login with your email. And this is the homepage of this CapCut here. And since we would like to turn our photo to be the Naruto cosplay here, after that I will go to the template, and after that you will see the introducing or the front page of this template. There are a lot of template that you can use here, but particularly you can searching for the Naruto cosplay into the searching section, and I will type Naruto for example and enter, and you will find several template over here. And since I want that the previous picture also being maintained to be keep it the natural look, but also wearing the Naruto costume, so I will choose this one, Naruto AI filter. So this will be the preview of this effect or this template, and here this template will give you two chances to transform your picture, and I will continue to use this template. And after that it will direct you into the section to select a picture, and for example I will choose this one until it uploaded down here and click next. And after that, kindly wait for this CapCut to generate the effect into the selfie photo. So the process will be take 1 minute until 5 minutes, and kindly wait for the process and make sure that your connection is in the good condition. And after waiting for the generation process, finally the animation or the transformation is ready, and let's watch the result. So isn't that cool, right? And if you would like to download it, then you can simply click export and click this export again, and finally the transformation video or animation will be saved into your device. So that's all guys, I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.